Follow me. You go first. I'll follow you. I'll put a bit of this way. Oh, it's good. That's on. So we're trying to figure out
what we can do
how to take the oil out whilst it's on its blocks where the oil drain is.
Yeah, so if we add some additional blocks this side, lift this up. Yeah, so we need to change the center here. So we move the engine to the center first.
Reminder for next time is to empty oil before one gets to the stage. Like they suggest you do.
Yeah.
Alright, you want to hold the bucket just to make sure.
What do they know?
Slip out. You just know that's going to happen after that. And that's going to go now. Alrighty.
It's some murky shit, no?
Is it dark? Shouldn't be dark. Ooh, why is it so dark? Didn't I replace the oil?
No.
I did. I'm sure I replaced the oil.
I think you chose not to. After new oil, then I'm saying you did a good thing.
Well, it looks quite clear now.
Yeah, but it's thin.
Okay, she's upside down. So this is the water pump.
Yeah, so that must be a temperature sensor.
It must be a temperature regulator or something. We can just check. But if we take this off, we can have a look inside.
Yep.
But I'd rather clean it first. So if we just plug up that hole and wrap that up.
Yeah.
Let's find out. There you go.
Words of God. There. And that will close there. Now we just clean it like that.
Do you think that's going to be enough?
I think so.
Just be very careful. Toothbrush side type of stuff.
Yeah. This is not wire brush stuff. This is just...
Okay. So we know that is the oil.
So I'll take
pressure.
care of this.
The oil pressure sensor.
Oil pressure switch. Yeah.
Switch. Yeah. I've lost the brush. It's not corrosion, it's just paint remnants.
Okay, well then I'll leave the...
So, Darryl, what are you doing now that you have not finished my engine?
Work in progress. I am going to clean the starter motor.
Starter motor, yes.
Starter motor. So don't start me up.
Okay, and then the alternator.
And then you're going to do the alternator.
Faster,
Or
faster.
I'll do
I'm
the
spraying the forks.
Oh.
So much better.
You've got all the things there.
I got all the toys.
You've got all the things.
I'm getting like super confident to do more.
We're heading off to the shed. Ayo.
You want a
It's off to the shed we go.
all exhaust?
No, I'm good. I'm
You sure?
exhausted.
Put it in-
No,
put it in the back
look,
of
I'm
your
fine.
I might just put it in here then.
I'm exhausted.
You're exhausted. I'm hot.
All right, there, Tiger. It's filming. I don't even know if it's filming. Hello?
It's on.
Okay. Woo!
Yeah, it's pretty
I
smelly.
get high with a little help from my friends.
Like I said, I'm glad I've had my kids.
Love them.
Only had 2 coats. Needs another 3rd thick coat foot.
Oh, so beautiful.
They don't doubt us.
Hey man,
I'll leave that air
maybe
out
I
for-
shouldn't ride. As you
Would you
do.
like to put some extra tyres on your bike?
I'm fine
Ones
at the
that
moment,
actually
eh?
fit. Ones that actually fit.
No, I've got to buy those 50/50s. What? I think what's
Well, at least for the week, I can't-
poured out. I don't think there's risk of any more
Okay.
coolant pouring out.
Alright. I think if we just get it back onto the plastic, it's
Okay.
easy for me to maneuver and clean up.
What I'm going to do. You've got the steering side.
You lift.
Okay, you ready? Lift. Wait, this is not going to work with gloves.
Like 1, 2, careful your back. Lift, lift. There you go. Okay, not quite there. No, it's fine. I'll hold it.
Careful your back.
Okay, so radiator
Pouring
fluid,
again.
pouring everywhere. Okay.
I blame you.
I want to see where it's coming from. Just want to show you how easy it is. If you know how to do it.
Okay, I see.
Okay.
Thanks for showing me.
You're welcome. Ta-da!
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 Put it back on the thing.
I think we should get it back on the thing, but the thing is a bit dirty, so I'm just going to take it out.
Get a clean thing.
No. Okay.
Okay, it's coming. See, that's how steering works, Stuart.
There you go. You're welcome.
Great.
You can start it without people.
Yeah,